Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Ngeviki eliphelele kuphume report ebivela ku-PA ethi there is nothing wrong eyenziwe uKenny Kunene after bethe uzoresigna then bazoqasha i-law firm ukuthi bheke ukuthi azikho into ezirong nazenzile ngoba ngesikhathi kwakuboshwa uKatiso KT Molefe amaphoyisa athola uKenny Kunene emzini kaKT Molefe. So ngaleso sizathu bafuna ukubheka noma uKT nakubeka kwacaca ukuthi uyamethemba yena uKenny Kunene, so okusho uKenny Kunene uyakuvuma, uyakholwa futhi. Kodwa ngenxa ukuthi ufuna ukwenza izinto kahle uzoqasha i-law firm ezophenya uKenny Kunene for 30 days. Lokho ke kwakuphoqa uKenny Kunene ukuthi aka step down as uDeputy President we-PA, aphinde futhi a step down kwi-position abeka kuyo yokuba uMMC we-transport eJohannesburg. Kwenzekile ke lokho manje njoba sebuyile manje sekuthiwa akabuyiselwe phela esikhundleni sakhe. ANC yaqala yabamba yayeka, wayese enza ivideo ke la saze sekhona ukuthi cha bazohlukana neANC kuwo wonke ama-coalition abanawo. Kwivideo engiyenzile edlule besikhuluma ngalolu daba ngithe noma kungeke kube nomthelelo omkhulu ikakhulukazi ku-GNU ukushiya kwe-PA, kodwa i-loss for i-ANC. Kunama-political parties angama-puppet noma a-loyal to i-ANC, no matter i-ANC proposer ini, akukhathalekile leyo nto leyo bacindezela kangakanani abantu, lawo ma-political parties azoyisupport i-ANC. Udaba lwe-VAT, i-PA yayisupport i-ANC kusuka ekuqaleni kusathi i-VAT funa ikhuphuke ngo-2%. I-DA yaphikisana naleso sinqumo leso. Kuthe makuthiwa ikhuphuke ngo-0.5% kulo nyaka, 0.5% ngonyaka ozayo, still i-DA yanqaba, i-PA yavota ne-ANC. Kwakhona iBosa, kwakhona iGood, kwakhona i-IFP. Lama-political parties engiwabalayo ama-political parties are-loyal to i-ANC. Noma i-ANC ngeza nayiphi proposal bazovota ne-ANC. So ingakho ngithi kuzoba i-loss ku-ANC uma i-PA ishiya ku-GNU. Ngaphambi ngicaphuna inkulumo ka-Gayton McKenzie, ngifisa ukucaphunela uFikile Mbalula bambuzile-ke ngalolu daba ukuthi bazomisa kanjani ezi-ANC kulolu daba lwe-PA nabo.
Thank you.
Let's start with the Patriotic Alliance threatening to leave the GNU on Tuesday. Have you met with them?
We have not met with them. I think that was the view expressed by the party leader, and we will engage with them. But parties in the GNU must understand that whenever we are faced with difficulties and challenges and dissatisfaction, we cannot always threaten to go away. That's not the way we build a national spirit around this convergence that South Africans support. It looks like we're delinquents and we're childish and immature. It's not our responsibility. People came here on their own volition, and we're happy with the PA in the GNU. And of course, Gayton has got a right as a leader of the party if there are issues which we are attended to with regard to our coalition partnership in Johannesburg, that those matters should be settled and attended to. And as the ANC, we have been committed to that. We have met with our structures in Gauteng and also in the municipality, and they are handling that issue with all the partners within the GNU. And I think in that GNU, PA must occupy its rightful place as agreed. It's not our wish for all of us who belongs to where, but they must be respected. They have attended to their challenges, and their leader can speak for himself and around those challenges that they face. So we are attending to that matter, but we wish to emphasize that it's not always, it doesn't augur well, because GNU is the property of the people of South Africa. So it's not, up to the ANC whether somebody remain or leave.
Ngoba umuzwa kuMbax ekhuluma la kodwa igama aliveza ukuthi bazo-engage ne-PA. Yingakho ngithe ukuphuma kwe-PA iphuma kwi-GNU. Angeke ngazi kula amanye ama-coalition kodwa kwi-GNU kuzobe kuyi-loss for i-ANC ngoba i-PA iyamanye amaphaphethu e-ANC. Noma yini esho i-ANC i-PA ivuma ngo-elethu. Manje awukwazi ukuthi ungalahlekelwa ipartner enjalo. Awukwazi futhi awukwazi ukuvumela ukulahlekelwa ipartner enjalo ngoba i-DA sikhombisile ukuthi kungenzeka futhi ngesinye isikhathi uma kukhona abangakuzwisisi bangavoti ne-ANC bangavumelani ne-ANC. Bakukhombisile lokho dabeni le-budget. Uphinde waqhubeka umbalula wakhuluma kanje.
So when you say the PA should be respected, I mean, they are demanding for Kenny Kunene to be reinstated as MMC of Transport because the mayor was offering MMC of Housing, and that's where the unhappiness has come about. Do you believe that he should be given back his position as MMC of Transport?
There is a center of addressing those issues. We don't think it's an issue because PA has come into the GNU as a political party and agreed with everybody around MEC of Transport, whether it is Kenny who would have been given by the PA or another person. In this instance, they are still quite committed to maintain Kenny, and they are not prepared to forgo that particular position as per agreement of the coalition. So as coalition partners, when I talk about respect, I mean we must not create volatility where it is unnecessary. The people want delivery.
Okwenzekile ngolesihlanu nansi ipost ithi Kenny Kunene returns to Johannesburg Council. Patriotic Alliance Deputy President Kenny Kunene has been re-sworn in as City of Johannesburg Councillor. Kenny Kunene, who previously served as MMC of Transport, resigned in July after being found at the home of murderer accused Katiso KT Molefe during police raid. Njengoba ubona-ke la ilabe bethu ufungisiwe futhi ezikhansela lapha yana kwi-City of Johannesburg. Asazi noma uzobuyiselana kwi-position yakhe kodwa umnqamla juqu abanikwe wona uLwesibili umsombuluko namhlanje, then ngolwesibili if abambuyiseli KT noThembisa ukuthi uzoresigna as uminister. Kodwa ke esikubonayo ukumfungisa kwabo kusho ukuthize, kusho ukuthi ANC iyabona ukuthi uma bengeza ukusigcina lesethembiso bazolahlekelwa iPA. Ayizukubalahlekelwa eJohannesburg kuphela nakuma coalition ababambisene kuwo kuphela kodwa nakuGNU, and kuGNU bayayidinga ngoba bayabadinga labantu okuzothiwa makuthiwa bhekenhla bangabuza imibuzo bavele babhekenhla, kuthiwa bheke enyakatho bangabuza imibuzo babheke enyakatho. Bayabadinga labo bantu amaphaphethu wabo abavuma yonke into nje show iANC abangawusebenzisa umqondo wabo mase kuthiwa kudilwa neANC. Bayabadinga labo bantu. So ukuba khona kwePA IFP egood ibosa yona iphathe eGNU kodwa ivumelana neGNU entweni eziningi. So ukuba khona kwawo kwenza ukuthi noma ngathiwa iDA iyabajikela ndawana thize noma khona ukungaboni ngasolinye kodwa abazi ukuthi still basesenawo amandla. Isizathu ke uzichazile yena uGatin wazichaza ngokwehlukahlukana kwazi ukuthi akusizathu esikhula khona ukuthi ingoba befuna kubuyela uKenny kodwa kunezinto ANC engasazihambisi kahle ngendlela, yingakho beze befika kulesigaba sokuthi bethi uma ningakwenzi lokhu siyehlukana. Ngicela uzwe la.
Explain this issue in English for our African patriots. So 3 o'clock today, they're swearing him in as a councillor. No, after you get sworn in as a councillor, it's only then when you can become a MMC. You can't become a MMC if you are not a councillor. So today at 3 o'clock, he's being sworn in as a councillor. That's one. 2 on the agenda. I just need to tell you why we are taking this drastic decision. I'm going to be very quick on that because I want to talk about other stuff. The ANC is our strategic partner. We've got an alliance with them. We are in coalitions with them. We are in government with them, national government with them. So what has happened is that the ANC, without notice, without telling us, we made a deal in city of Joburg that we'll get 2 MMCs, roads and transport, and we will get housing, I think, in Ekurhuleni. Then in Ekurhuleni, they decided that the EFF said they don't want to work with us. Then the ANC ignored the PA there. That's number one. Number two, the IFP wanted to come in, and they asked us to give the IFP one post, our housing portfolio. We didn't fight because we wanted to make the thing big. And we wanted to make the coalition strong and big. We gave our housing portfolio we gave our housing portfolio to IFP. We were left with only roads and transport. Then this issue of the DP happened. We then said, let's remove the DP in order to protect the coalition so that they mustn't answer questions regarding our DP. We then put in Liam Jacobs. They then said they don't want Liam. And I said, why wouldn't you want Liam? They said, no, he doesn't have experience. I said, number one, Liam's got a master's degree, I think. And Liam comes from Parliament. And there's people that are doing the same job as Liam, they don't even have matric. And I said, I take great exception to the fact that Liam, that the ANC think they can tell us who to put in and who not to put in. We are not a branch of the ANC for them to decide who we should deploy. We have our own deployment committee. Then the ANC said, no, they don't want him. Luckily for them, the case of the deputy president was finished, and we want Liam to come and run for City of Cape Town mayor. We want Liam to show Jordan Hill Lewis wat David die wortels begrawe het. Liam is going to expose what's happening in the Cape because people think the Cape is heaven. It is hell for our people. Now here's where it's getting interesting. If you want to close behind me that blind, thank you. This is where it gets interesting. Now they called us and said they want a meeting, the whole PEC of the ANC. All of them. They said Malema doesn't want us to get roads and transport again. Malema. They want to give the post to Malema. We said Malema. Mal-Emma. Say for ons Mal-Emma. For ons I said no. Panyaza was saying to me, no, please. I said, I'm not going to do that. We said, we're not going to do that. Then they removed the PA in Beaufort West. They removed our mayor in Laingsburg. They did this without notifying the Secretary General of the PA. Now we're like, these people are having a silent war against us. Why would you remove, you are in partnership with people. Why would you remove? So I'm telling you facts. Imagine you just wake up. They vote with the DA to remove our mayor. That's all the things that they've been doing. We said, fine. We've been talking to them behind the scenes. We've been talking to them. I've been talking to everyone except the president. Because I don't want to run to the president with issues that we can sort out here. Then we tried everything. We are now, as the president of the PA, I must now wait for a regional leader of another party to make up his mind. A regional leader must now tell the president of the PA, that's not right. I can't have President Cyril Ramaphosa speak to our regional leaders. I said, no, that's fine. if you are going to remove, if you're not going to bring in Deputy President Kenny Kunene, you're not going to fix Ekurhuleni, you're not going to do this stuff, why is it that we are still in coalition with you? I then said, we are going to withdraw from all our coalitions. But as a leader, it is unfair. You must never, as a leader, ask people to do what you don't want to do. Those people are going to get less now. The speakers, the MECs, they're going to get less. Why am I asking people to stand back while I'm still at the table? It doesn't work like that. So I then said, if they don't appoint, if my people stand back, I must also stand back as a minister. They must think I'm here for blue lights. They think I'm living the high life, not knowing my personal circumstances. So I'm not going to ask Evan to stand back, Sharifa to stand back, Yuna to stand back, all those people to stand back, but I'm not standing back. I can't, I'm not the type of leader. Some of you will say, no, it's short-sighted, don't resign. We are in these problems today because of that type of thinking. Your love for positions makes your tolerance for disrespect very high. We are in this position. In die PA, daar is die van gee maar net wat jy het, Melanie. Ons staan op wat ons besluit. Touch is a move. Ek, as die leier van die PA, I heard somebody says, he will never resign, he's bluffing. Tuesday morning, watch the movie. Tuesday morning, watch the movie. This Tuesday morning, after 7 days, I can't come here and publicly and then word ek weer pap. Then they must have offered me something for me to stay. I'm not that type of a leader. Ek val waar my mense val. Ek staan waar my mense staan. Ek is die type of leader. Julle het te gewoond, julle het leaders wat op die tafel sit en alleen eet op die tafel. I can't expect people to resign, then I still stay there. Tuesday morning, if I don't resign, you must never vote for the PA again. You must never. If I don't resign, the only thing that will make me stay is if his Kenny Kunene is being reinstated. Ek sal julle nooit uitverkoop nie. Julle is gewoond vir uitverkopers. Ek is al 20 jaar in die kansel, maar dat niks verander nie. Ek is al 30 jaar in die politiek. Jy het nog nooit iemand anders aan die se kind werk gegee nie, jy het net so familie werk gegee. Ek is die type leaders nie. And some of you that says no press, we're going to lose out if you leave. Yes, we will lose out, but we will still have our dignity. We will still have our dignity. Vir te lang van die mense, onze mense verpoppe. Die mense in Westbury het die water nie, maar die squatter camp het water. Zimbabweans kry water. Ek is Dayton McKenzie. Ek sê vir julle vandag, ek val waar my mense val. Van die mense, as hulle nonsens van my skryf, dan staan die mense nog steeds met my. So I just thought ek moet hy van my bors afkry. Ek gaan nooit vir jou stuur, dan loop ek agter jy. Ek moet voorloop. Ek moet eers die danger sien. Ek is mos die leier. So to everyone that advise me, press, you're making a big mistake. We can lose. We have been losing. Ons is gewoon vir verloor. Maar een ding wat die PA ons almal gegee het, ons het ons dignity terug. Ek kan alles verloor, but I can't lose our dignity. I can't can't lose our dignity. We are the only party that can bring black, white, Indian, colored together. So I wanted the patriots to know, because the media is calling me like crazy. If they bring Kenny Kunene back, what they are doing, you don't see what they are doing. They are slowly making people lose respect for me. You attack my people, I do nothing. You attack my people, I do nothing. Come 2026, people will not respect the leadership of the PA, because the leadership of the PA makes them to be disrespected. I've already been approached by 4 parties. Some even called Fadil. Talk to that man, because they know I'm close to Fadil. I want to make it clear here, I'm not those people that were at the PA. Then they leave the PA. Elke dag in die PA vat hulle foto's van my. Elke dag. When they leave the PA, dan hoor jy, hoe sleg is ek. Maar hulle het lyne gestaan om in my pizzas te vat. Ek, President Cyril Ramaphosa, decided to make me a minister. I'm not going to turn against that man, because I'm fighting with his organization. Ek gaat die vote. To all the parties, I want you to know, I'm not going to vote with you in the vote of no confidence against President Cyril Ramaphosa. Ek is nie 'n slang nie. I'm going to vote for Cyril Ramaphosa, even when I'm outside. I need to make that clear, because ek is loyal. Ek sal nooit in die vote of no confidence. You can offer me, now we can make you deputy president, we can make you this. You can offer me anything. Ek is nie 'n slang in die paradise.
Ngoba bengishile ekuqaleni ukuthi maningi ama-issues akhona ayiwo lawa aphushela i-PA ukuthi izigcine iba kulesigaba sokuthi ithi izothatha lesinqumo. Kodwa okunye okuvezwa uGateini la okungafanelanga sikubalekele ngoba kubalekile ukuthi kune-motion of no confidence afakwa i-MK party lapha eParliament. Nakho kwase kuvela le media briefing ka Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Cabanga ukuthi ezinye zezinto lezo kufuneka zime ngoba i-priority. Futhi uyaqinisekisa ukuthi yena umuntu oloyal. Ngakho ke noma bengathini noma bangacabanga ukuthi ngenxa yalokhu ngaboni ngasolinye kwabo bese becabanga ukuthi mhlambe yena akungenzeka vote against uPresident Ramaphosa, ngeke kwenzeke. Uyasho ukuthi noma bangamethembisa ziphi zethembiso ngoba umsebenzi osahlaleli iMK party ukuthi ihambe yoshela lamanye ama-political parties ukuthi avumelane nayo kuvotwe against uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa, and bathe kuzoba yi-secret ballot. Shuthi akekho umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi ubani uvote kanjani. Kodwa uGateini uyakuveza ukuthi yena umuntu oloyal, angeke nje azalenza iphutha bangaze bacabanga ukuthi ngenxa yokuthi khona ukungaboni ngasolinye uzovota against uPresident Ramaphosa. Angeke kuze kwenzeke. Yingakho ngithe eqaleni ukuphuma kwe-PA ku-GNU akunamthelela in terms of numbers, kodwa kunomthelela omkhulu ngoba i-PA ingama-puppet we-ANC. I-PA yilama political parties ANC mayethi siyale, noma ngathiwa lonto leyo yimbi kangakanani ebantwini, inomthelela omubi kangakanani ebantwini, kodwa i-PA amanye ama-political parties azothi lento yinhle ngoba i-ANC isithe yinhle. Ilokho nje ebengikuchaza. Asibambe le video, ngicela ukuze ukuphala kwakho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Sizo njengoba esefungisiwe awusho ukuthi uzobuyela kweposition yakhe. Kungenzeka ke kusasa simbone uGateini Mackenzie nga-resign ngoba phela usefungisiwe uKenny Kunene usefungisiwe. Njengoba eshilo kumbandulu ukuthi bazo-engage ne-PA, angeke i-ANC ivume kalula kanjalo ukulahlekelwa ipartner enjenge-PA. Nami nje ngiyi-ANC bengeke ngivume ukulahlekelwa ipartner njenge-PA. Kumnandi kabi ukuba nepartner njenge-PA engaphikisani nawe, evumelana nawe noma ubheda. Ayikho into emnandi njengaleyo. Nanawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo, ngiyabonga.